Hey guys, this video is going to be about being an adult, making the right decisions, which will ultimately influence your financial decisions. And it's going to be raw, unedited, like the majority of most of my other videos, right? And I'm just going to take a dive deep into the proper decision making you should have in life in general, right? Because our financial decisions are not just governed by just our mere decisions to do financial things. They're actually deep rooted into our decision makings in our psyche, in our brain, our habits, whether it's waking up, going to the gym, overeating, overindulgence. Your eating habits are similar to your credit, your overspending habits. The same way you want to gain muscle is the same way you want to gain credit. The same way you don't want to get fat and eat that cheesecake, that pizza, whatever it is, and eat excess calories is the same way you don't want to overspend, and put yourself into a bad financial situation. And so if you're watching this video or inquiring about Pinnacle, right, because we're a direct search, the majority of our customers search by looking for our services. So you need to do the proper research, right? And you need to properly understand what's it going to take for you to really convince to yourself that we're the company that you want to hire. So I'll flat out tell you, we're not the company you want to hire if you're a fickle person, right? If you don't have any clear goals about your life, if you're not going to make a purchase in the future, if you're seriously not in a financial, not in a good financial situation. I had one guy. I had people call me, right? We have a program that's, $2.99 to join. It was $1.99, and it's supposed to be a cost-effective, solution for people. But, that program, honestly, we really don't even care about it, because the people that inquire for that program are broke, right? Why pay $1.99 and $99 a month when you can just pay for the top-tier service? Why don't you just get it done the first time? And that's a difference between those types of people versus the other types. The people that believe to pay the proper price to get something done and to hire a professional is the way to go. And I agree with you. I do it for myself. Do you think I like paying someone to maintain my $10,000 fish tank right here? Do you see that? Okay. Or my $5,000 one right here? Okay. Do you think I like to pay someone to maintain this property, to scrub the floors, check the tanks, dust the floor, clean the bathroom, clean up after my pets, my cats? Do you think I like to do that? No. Do you think I'm going to beg and barter and haggle down for the price? No, because this is my home. This is my personal domain. This is just an example I can give you by actually looking right here. You can look, okay? And I'm going to pay the proper price because I want to keep my home clean. I want to make sure they're not stealing from me. I want to make sure these tanks right here and right here are properly maintained, okay? And I chose the best fish. Not necessarily the most expensive ones. It's not all about the most expensive price. Usually it is, especially if you're working with a credible company, right? But I'm going to share with you guys a secret. Not a secret. Why did I say that? I'm going to share with you guys an email that I got. Yeah, so you can check this out. And you can just see what kind of, how dumb people are. I had a 1-star review from a guy that's not even a client. And I can prove that to you, Mr. Michael Allen, because he messaged us. Okay. That's his, this is his number right there. Okay, and he messaged us. Boom. And then he left us the review. And let me read it to you. Okay. I feel like this is a total scam. Read everything, sent information, and called and told to read. Then it was a different price. That's what he says. Let me pull it up here. But anyway, he's not even a client and he's leaving a review. And he's not the first one. And I'm not bothered by it. But I, thought I'd make a video about it to kind of just explain the type of decision making that person has. Okay. First of all, if you're not a, let me put the camera here. If you're not a customer, then don't leave a review. Okay. Simple as that. It's not fair to people that actually are customers and that actually know what we do and what we're about to actually leave a review. So if you're going to call someone, not just my company or anyone, a scam or a scam artist, make sure that you give them a fair chance. So a person that writes reviews like that is obviously not a fair person. Okay. Let me tell you more about this person. This person had, and he's not the only one. There's a certain type of people that have, problems with their brain, and they're really just nasty people. So originally, this person had reached out for our service, okay, to hire me personally. Then we gave him a quote, sent in his information. Then he sent us a text message. And then he says, the website says $199. And I said, it's subject to change. A highly agreeable person would say, oh, okay, that makes sense. Could you tell me more about that? Because the website says this, but you're just telling me something different. He said, it's subject to change. Okay. So if you can read English, if you're educated, this person obviously isn't. He's actually stupid. Then you would know that decision is pending, so that's a sense of urgency. Okay, it's subject to change, and it's $299, $199 down, and then your first month is $99. You pay for your first month. Okay, you enroll, then you pay for your first month ahead of time. People want to argue with that and bitch about the price, then go somewhere else. This ain't a charity. Okay, and if you don't have the money, often people call me and they say, oh, I have a few other people. They're like, oh, I'm planning to do it next month, and I'm just doing it, and they give me a whole story about the personal. Dude, like, that's your personal life. Fix your shit. When you get your shit together, then you can come and you can pay for credit repair service with me or anyone you choose. Notice, no one's pressuring anyone to sign up here. In fact, there's people that get mad. They're like, wait a second, I want to speak to someone. First of all, let me tell you something. It's not fair to speak to any of you that aren't my clients. I only speak to clients. Okay? You have to realize there's people paying me $5,000. Okay, I'm going to show you a screenshot, okay, of a guy paying me $5,000 in services. And if this video is too long for you, then it proves my point. The majority of people are stupid, dumb. Why do you think YouTube Shorts came out? Because your attention span is short. People's attention spans are becoming shorter and shorter. And they're not watching and thoroughly watching educational videos. You can't learn anything in a short 15-second, 10-second video. If you're expecting to get the answers to your problems with the 15-second video, good luck, all right? And that's my cat, by the way, just in case you guys are wondering. Okay, so that's $2,500 right there. He just paid me. And keep in mind, this guy, he already paid me $2,500. He paid me $3,000, and now he's paying me $25,000. So that's $6,000 he paid. It's not fair to him for me to talk to any of you that haven't paid. Now, look at Jeremy. You think Jeremy is stupid? Jeremy is not stupid. Jeremy is smart. Jeremy makes $500,000 a year, roughly. Okay. And do you think someone dumb that has more money than you? Probably, right? It's a lot. You think they're dumb? Okay. Especially when they paid $3,000 months ago, 3 months ago precisely. Okay. And we could watch this. I could show you more. Okay. See, he said he's paid $3,500 so far right there. There's the proof, okay? So a person that's paid a hefty amount, a hefty to you, if you're broke watching this, I'm sorry, I don't work with broke people. That's not to discriminate against them. I was once broke. Many people before me and after me have been broke and will continue to be broke, and some will not be broke. Some people that were dumb before, I was dumb before, I was young, dumb, full of cum before. So if I say things, don't mean it's dismissive. If I'm dismissing you, it's because class is, was in session and now it's dismissed. You're a student of mine and now you're dismissed. So I will dismiss you and give you the opportunity for you to get your shit together, okay? Because there's too many people that I have on the line to worry about dumb fucks like you, okay? And like I said, we're transparent here. We speak English, we cuss, we're open. I'm an American citizen, and that's just how it goes. If you guys become offended by that, then maybe you should go to another channel. And like I said, I'm not afraid to lose views here. This is not a monetized channel, okay? This is my Asian leopard cat. She's an F1 Bengal. About, you need about $10,000 for the cat there, okay? Take a look at her. Hey, she doesn't like to be held because she's a hybrid. Say hello. Yeah, I have 3 other cats. The other cat is, hey, don't get in my video. Go. Yeah, as you can see, she doesn't like being held. She's a wild cat. It's difficult to domesticate her. So, yeah, I'm not afraid to lose views here. And I don't make my money off YouTube. So if you're wondering why we don't have a lot of views, well, we're not a YouTube channel where we give you free information. Nothing that we do is free, and we don't believe in free shit, okay? If you want a free shit, go to Goodwill, okay? If you want free shit, then, get welfare, get an EBT card, okay? If you're looking for free shit, and that's not free, by the way, that's paid by taxpayers' money. So you might not be paying for it, but someone else is. The least you can do is pay attention. And that's why YouTube makes so much money, because they're making money off your attention. Your attention is worth so much that if they get everyone's attention, they could sell ad space. So if you really understand that, then you must know that it's still not free, okay? And that's how they're getting you on. So they're not going to give you the right information, okay? They're just captivating your attention and going to make these videos. I've watched all of them, and I as a professional would not want to learn how to repair credit off YouTube. It's just not the right way to do it. So anyway, this is not a how to fix your credit channel. This is a, if you want to know who's real and who's fake, then take your pick, all right? But one thing is, give us a fair chance, right? If you're not a customer, like Jeremy, or other customers, okay? I can give you other customers. This lady, she paid me $3,000. Where is she? Oh, Elizabeth. Okay, boom, right there. She paid me $2,500 there and paying me more. And she has other people referring. And then I have, you can just do a check on Pinnacle, right? Badcredit.org. You have badcredit.org. They're reviewing us, okay? You have experts that make millions and millions of dollars review Pinnacle. So if you think that we're a scam, you're insulting their intelligence, okay? And you're not really that smart. So if you think you're smart, you're just being arrogant, okay? There's too many people that have joined our program. I'm not trying to sell you. Like, look at this. You don't have to sign up right there, okay? That's not me being a rebel. That's just to show you, like, I'm being transparent, okay? And I'm as real as it comes. But I will tell you this. I'm not going to sit here and tell you some people call me and they're like, sell me. Tell me why I should join you. Click. They pretend they want to sign up. They want to say they want to hire me personally. They sign the agreement and everything because it's all automated. And then they call like, I just want to get a quick call before I sign up. And then they ask all these questions. No, dipshit. You got to ask those before. It's respect to my time. My time is worth money, okay? You have to understand. If you're watching this video, perhaps my time is worth more than yours. Because if you're not clearing millions of dollars, okay? And if you're not making, if people call you and they pay you $10,000, $5,000, I got people who pay me $10,000, I got people who pay me $20,000 just to talk to me for 5 minutes, okay? Then you need to respect that. because that person paid for that. He paid $20,000 for something that you're bitching about $199 for. So like I said, when you get your shit together, then you can call me if you want. But if you're like that guy, what's his name? If you're like this, it's that guy, Michael Allen Gu, the 1-star review, then I don't want to work with you. You need to work on yourself, okay? I pick and choose my clients. People offer me money and I still don't accept them. I evaluate them. If you want to work with me personally, you want to hire with me personally, you got to deal with me personally, son, okay? I'm the best credit repair expert there is. Unless someone can make a video like this and be transparent and show reviews, scroll down, scroll up, scroll to the right, scroll to the left, do a quick Google search, and do your homework, and you're going to see, you can agree with me or not, okay? You don't have big financial companies writing about all those YouTube guys. You just have a bunch of broke people that have a short attention span that are just absorbing all this information, but they're not doing anything with it, okay? It's like analysis paralysis. They're doing all this work and they become an expert at so much stuff, but you're still broke. You still haven't applied it. It's not about what you know. It's about what you apply. Okay, so if you want to talk about getting your credit fixed, fix your brain first. And by the way, Mr. Allen or whatever, and all the haters that are watching this, they read your stupid reviews, but they gave me more money than I asked for anyway. They read all the nasty stuff, the few things that you wrote about us, and you're not even a client. But guess what? They read that, and they wanted to give me more money because they saw how really ignorant and stupid you are. So please, more haters writing. You can write whatever you want and like legitimately not be a client. Like I said, I will tell you this again. They read your stupid review, and they gave me their money anyway, and I fixed their credit, and they gave me more money. And guess what? They referred me more clients, and I became even more rich than I was before. So I'm going to let you know, I'm going to continue getting rich by helping people. And there's nothing that you can do about it than just hate.